In this video, we're just going to look at how we can use radian measure. So both these triangles, the angles here are in radian, and how I can use them with existing formula I already know. And a quick recap. So this is a right angled triangle. So I'm going to use SOHCAHTOA, and I have the angle and the opposite and the hypotenuse. So that tells me I'm going to use sine. So I'm going to use sine 1.2. Now the only thing I need to know now is I'm in radian mode. So make sure your calculator's in radian mode. But we still have opposite divided by hypotenuse. It still works. So if we rearrange that, x is 16 times sine 1.2. And I'll just double check that answer for you now with the calculator. We're just going to do sine 1.2 and then multiply it by 16. And that gives me 14.9. Now that also works in non-right angled triangles. So here I have 1, 2, 3 sides and an angle. So I'm going to use the cosine rule. Now the cosine rule states that x squared equals either side around the angle squared. So 10 squared and 8 squared. And then I take away 2 times 8 times 10 times cosine of this angle. And again, just because I'm in radian mode, shouldn't make any difference to these formulas. I'm just going to go through and work that whole thing out and work out what x squared is. So a quick recap of the cosine rule. That's going to give me 100 plus 64 minus 160 times cosine 0.6. That gives me 31.95. And I need to square root x with the positive answer, give me 5.65. So that's just simply a quick recap of using our trigonometry rules for right angle and non-right angle triangles using radian measure.